Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you a trend trading indicator, as you can see on the screen right now, that actually works. Okay? And it is my commitment to you that by the time you're done watching this video, I am going to transform your trading technical analysis skills. Alright? So let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action of the NASDAQ. Yes, this is the NASDAQ. This is the most violent, volatile, powerful symbol to trade. All the professional traders love trading the NASDAQ. And the good news for you is you can trade the NASDAQ on Forex, you can trade it on futures, and you can also trade it on stocks and options. Okay? Now, moment of truth. What is this green and red color band that appears to be overlaid on the chart? Well, guys and gals, this right here is our proprietary volume-based indicator profile. And it absolutely went off today, okay? And essentially what this thing does is it's very, very effective at forecasting the starting points of trends in the market. Okay? You've heard me say this 1,000 times. I'm convinced that a trend trading system and a trend trading style is the only thing that works. And that's why I've programmed this volume indicator profile for you guys. Number one, to make it simple for you to spot these potential trend changes, but also to help you look for very low risk and high probability setups. Okay? Because for me, I need to know when a potential trend starts, right? I don't want to know the middle of the trend, and I certainly don't want to know the end of the trend, right? I need to be notified and alerted right here at the starting point of a potential trend. And look, I'm going to do you one more, okay? I'm going to show you a pattern right now. It's called a retracement pattern. And I think that if all you did was master this one pattern that I'm about to show you, then I think you're going to transform your own trading skills in a day. All right? Literally, by tomorrow, you'll be able to start spotting these patterns. Watch this. I call this the retracement pattern. It's got 3 legs to it, okay? Leg number 1 establishes the direction. Leg number 2 of the 3 legs is the retracement happening right in front of your face. And leg number 3, guys and gals, is the market moving in your favor. Does this make sense? Is anything that I've shown you here complicated or confusing? Look, man, you don't exactly need a degree in applied mathematics to trade. All right? All you need is a simple trend trading system and a way or a technique to qualify any potential setups. All right? Now, speaking of, watch this. I'm going to blow your mind right now. Okay, let's really get you dialed in and let me blow your mind. Allow me to show you what it's like to embrace a professional trading system, okay? So watch, all right? Don't forget, we're going to be implementing our retracement pattern right here onto this live market price action, okay? So watch this, all right? You guys can quite clearly see that the volume indicator changed colors from green into red at this exact moment in time, right? And you can also see that the market actually started going down almost immediately. This establishes the downtrend and gives us the leg 1 of the retracement pattern, okay? Now, leg number 2 is the retracement, guys and gals. We want to see the market come back up above the color band if it's a short, and we then want to see these, all right? These nice red reversal bars that print either on or above the color band. And that's it. That's leg number 2. Once again, was there anything complicated about what I just showed you, right? I hope not. This should be an absolute pleasure for you to spot these setups on a daily basis, okay? Now, once you see either this one or this one show up and print against the red color band, guys and gals, well, leg number 3 is easy, okay? What I look to do is I look to go short the open of the next bar, okay? And then I'm going to place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you follow along in Forex, okay, above the signal bar's high. And that's it. From that point on, once I'm short this market, I want to let the trend do the heavy lifting for me. I don't want to fight the market. I just want to let the trend do the work. And if I show you how this trade played out, let me fit this back to scale here. I'm going to press the F button here at the top. You can see that, oh my goodness, we got in all the way over here, and this market plunged for 400 ticks or pips if you're following along in Forex. All right, 400 ticks. That is not a small number, okay? And all we did was follow a simple retracement pattern. Now, how about on the flip side, right? What happens when the trend changes from red into green like it did at this exact moment in time, right? This is a critical piece of information that we as professional traders need to know about. At this moment in time, there was a potential trend change, this time to the long side. Why long? Because the color band is now green, right? And so I'm just going to follow my mechanical set of rules. Number one, I want to see the market establish leg number one. Show me some upward momentum and get the direction right. Okay, done. I'm convinced. Number two, give me a pullback. Give me a nice retracement. And I also want to see one of these, okay? A green bar that prints on or below the color band. And for me, that's it. I'm convinced. So boom, what I would want to do, I would want to look to go long this market on the open of the next bar. I would now place my stop loss, 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath this signal bar's low. Okay, this is your reference point. And you guys can see what happened after that, right? This market surged for 800 ticks. All right, guys and gals, can you see how simple and powerful this volume indicator color band is? And you want to know what's funny? Look at this. Here's another retracement right there, right? Here's one more there. Here's another retracement there. Here is another retracement there. Isn't that interesting, right? Have you ever seen a pattern that's so consistent, right? This thing is happening almost on a daily basis, guys and gals. All right, so don't you dare tell me that retracements don't work. In my humble opinion, I think retracement patterns are the only thing that works. So here's what I want to do first, okay? First, I want to congratulate and give a big shout out to all of my customers who were successfully able to catch both sides of this move today. This was, in my opinion, man, the trade of a lifetime, especially this beautiful long right here. I mean, this was unlike anything I've ever seen before, okay? And second, if you are this guy over here, okay, if you are still using these amateur retail trader, what I consider to be garbage charts, then it's time for you to get your butt off the sidelines and get involved so you can appreciate what it's like to deploy a real trend trading professional system. All right, because so far this year has been absolutely on fire. Shame on you if you're still struggling with your trading and you haven't got off the sidelines and got involved yet. And you know what, man? I can't wait to see what this market's going to do for us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.